All right, folks, so we have a really well-seasoned blacktop here. It does say in the instructions that the corners are likely not going to be black, and that will even out over time. But as you can see, there is no sticky residue on here. We have not over-seasoned it. We have not over-Criscoed it. It is still cooling down a little bit, but as you can see, that is a beautiful black surface. We're gonna get cooking on it right now. All right, and that's the sign of a nice seasoning, something that's not gonna stick. It's gonna move freely around the blacktop, and that's looking really good. Very happy with this so far. These flat tops are very similar to a cast iron skillet if you have one of those. If you've over seasoned it or you have too much grease or it's caked on anywhere, don't panic, just keep cooking. It'll all cook off and then you can try it again the next time.